From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Tuesday, May 26th. Well, looking ahead through the last couple days of May and the start of meteorological summer, there are really no indications that we're going to deal with any more 90-degree heat in the foreseeable future. In fact, I can see how there are no more 90-degree days in the lower Susquehanna Valley through at least the first week to perhaps even 10 days of June. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at the Canadian model for 2 p.m. on Friday. And what you'll notice here is that we have this large Canadian high pressure system centered over the Great Lakes region in the Ohio Valley, and that's going to be promoting mostly sunny and beautiful conditions on Friday with a low humidity. On the eastern side of that high pressure system, we're still going to have light northwesterly flow on Friday, so dew points will only be in the 40s and 50s with high temperatures in the 70s on Friday. The European model is in great agreement with the Canadian there, showing the exact same thing. As we move forward then into Saturday, you'll notice the Canadian model has this disturbance moving southeastward through northern New England, and there's this weak cold front trailing to its south and west. The Canadian suggests that that disturbance is going to remain well to our north and east on Saturday, so if this is right, we would still be out ahead of the cold front. We would still have west and northwesterly winds, but temperatures would push into the upper 70s to low 80s on Saturday. However, you'll notice that the European model suggests that that system tracks much farther to the south and west, and as a result, the cold front is already over the Commonwealth by Saturday afternoon. So I still do think we could get into the mid-70s on Saturday in the event that the European model is correct. But either way you slice it, it does look like a mostly sunny and relatively pleasant start to the weekend. Humidity still will be low on Saturday with high temperatures in the dew points in the 50s. So it will be a great day to get outside and enjoy the outdoors. As we move forward then into Sunday, in the wake of that system, we're going to have another bubble of high pressure build over the mid-Atlantic states and the eastern Great Lakes region for Sunday. So Sunday just looks like another absolutely beautiful day. It's going to be quite a cool night Saturday night with lows in the upper 40s to low 50s. But man, Sunday looks like a great end of the weekend and a great end of meteorological spring. Skies should be mostly sunny on Sunday with high temperatures in the low to mid 70s, and dew points will only be in the 40s on Sunday. So really another great day to get outside and enjoy the weather. As we move forward then into the first day of meteorological summer, it arrives on Monday, June 1st. The Canadian and the European models are both showing this storm system trying to gain strength on the eastern seaboard. There's going to be this disturbance moving through with the Carolinas, and then another disturbance moving down out of southeastern Canada. Both the Canadian and the European models suggest that these two disturbances do link up and join forces, and as a result, provide us with a lot of showers on Monday. If the Canadian's right, it would actually be a steady light rain with temperatures only in the 50s. I'm kind of doubting this solution right now, that a disturbance from Canada links up with a disturbance moving through the Carolinas. The GFS and the ICON models don't show anything like this. They have both disturbances remaining separate, and Monday just being another mostly sunny and pleasant day with highs in the 70s. That's the direction I'm kind of leaning toward right now, but I am still going to cover for a chance of showers on the first day of meteorological summer, just to be safe in the event that the Canadian and the European models are right. But just understand there's a lot of uncertainty here, and the more likely outcome is for a partly to mostly sunny and pleasant day with highs in the 70s. So as we take a look at the medium range campus weather service forecast, mostly sunny and beautiful on Friday with a low humidity, high 76. Breezy on Saturday with sunshine and a few passing clouds, high 74. Mostly sunny and pleasantly cool on Sunday, high 72. And then variably cloudy with a chance of showers on Monday with a high again in the low 70s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Monday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the dry and pleasantly cool weekend ahead.